I'm freaking out. I've got a little project I got to do with liquid nails and I don't have any. What am I going to do? I've got to stop what I'm doing right now and I'm going to the store to get my liquid nails. It's always good to have some liquid nails around. I usually use that for my insurance policy because I never know when I'm going to need it. I'll be right back. Yes! They had it. Hey, but you know what? Most hardware stores have it, so you shouldn't have to worry too much about finding the liquid nails at your local hardware store. Now, if you know me by now, I always seem to find something that needs liquid nails. And you may think, hey, this doesn't look like the liquid nails you use, Joe. Well, it's a little bit different. This is heavy duty. I usually use the blue label, and that was the original, I call it. But I saw this at the store, and I thought, you know, I'm going to try this heavy duty. And I looked at it, and the difference, I think the main difference is it's for exterior use as well as interior. The red label, liquid nails, just says interior, but the heavy duty, interior and exterior, baby. This is the stuff I think I'm going to use from now on because, you know, if you got most of your projects, interior projects, and you use liquid nails, maybe you're going to have half a tube left or a quarter of a tube left, and maybe there's something on the exterior that you need to use just a pinch of liquid nails. Now you can, with confidence, if you use the heavy duty. You gotta get some of this stuff. Were you listening? If you were listening close, when I first said what I generally use is liquid nails, the blue label, the stuff I used to use was the red label. And I'm calling this section here the red label. The red label was the original liquid nails. And this, I think I'm going to start liking this better. This is the blue label. And it's the heavy duty. Now this was only, I don't know, maybe 50 cents more than the red label. So get used to this. This is your friend. Always have some of this ready for your next project because you know what? You never know when you're going to need the good old liquid nails.